Ibadan ilai thu ba ila tho dakashiti sha menteri rang badu kajala halor kajing sneu ko memariang habodar kabadai kum habernihat Andrei ka wasusi kalong bau CM ubaju bana bha matmi ki program kum ka CM connect Andrei shumel la connect bat ka voice of the people party ha ka shithi la tho shaphang ka jingduna ki khlaw ki patap namar ka jing shaot pathar ki deng ki siet ha ki bre ki pran ha ka bor sanchar la tho ru shaphang ka jingjabo kal air ka bakta ya ka jingring men CM ka ba mat kum juru ya ka jingjabo ki kiwa ki bakta ya ka kwat ka khya la tho ru shaphang ka jing thot karep karyang namar ka jingjabo kal air bat ki kiwa
as the party we had already flagged our concern when it comes to this issue. We had submitted a letter to the Chief Minister on the 24th July 2024. So, however, sir, till today we have not received any information, though the Chief Minister has launched the CM Connect schemes, but it seems that our Chief Minister chooses to disconnect with the voice of the People Party.
Iba Arden, ila pentip susu ba ila awan banjengo yakane ka jaka habernihat. Ila baka sarkar kale yakane ka project manshnai ki karkana thumai ha ka bari da ka ba pha penmi no yakinong trei shajingai kata ka karkhana thumai. Ka sarkar ka thmu banshim bat penangkam wat ki jaka kibdan hamarjan ka CDI habernihat.
So it seems that because after we made a spot inspection to this site from the Voice of the People Party, we are made to understand that the government seems to carry out this project surreptitiously, quietly, just asking the staff to leave the premises. And we are also told that the government is going to take over even the land adjacent to that CTI, Conservation Training Institute at Bernihat. So, as we had already discussed about the existing pollution levels,
Iba Arden ila pentip bamen kane UMLA jong katu kathan ulakren ya kane ka issue shphang ka jingjur ka jingjabo habernihat. Andrei CM uang ba katu ka jaka kadon hajan border Assam. Takadaw ki jabo jaban kiwan ru nakane ka jala bamarjan namar kidon shibun ki karkhana hajan. Umentri ramadu ulai thu ba kani kalong ka isu ka bakalan namar kadon hajan border. Ndrei iba Arden iong ba kani kamde manlong kadaw kabang ngimla man penbha ya kamay mariang hagitu kijaka.
On the other day, the local MLA had raised this issue in this August House, and our Honorable Chief Minister has replied, expressing the problems since that area is also in the border area with Assam, where pollution is not coming only from Meghalaya side, but also from many industries that are coming from the Assam side. But sir, since we know that this is a very serious issue, I think that should not be the reason that why we can't improve the environment in that area. We know that there is a provision in the
Iba Arden yitho shushu ba kadon ka an jongkari India kapadai ka article 236 lane ka article R ndriu lai kane ka article ka ong ba ladon ka jing memisuk ne ka jing ka ja hapadang ki ar jala marjan u president wahab ban pha ban tipnya mat ban le ya ka banta ban shem ya karai ka ba hapadang ka baro ar jala kila ban pediang de komenta ka jing khot ka mai mariang kadai ka ba ki ar jala kata ka Assam bar ka Meghalaya ki thrang manra takadaw ka jing khot ka mai mariang kala ban urlong hakitu ki jaka te iba Arden ikan tu bo menteri rang badu ka jala bo umpan kam hok ya kane ka an pamanra ka jing khot jing suba hakitu ki jaka kumah bernihat Iba Arden ilang namar banshna shushu ya ki karkhana haki jaka bala jobo lupa kanwan ra jing sneu shushu ya kato ka jaka bat kumjuru kapan keta ya ka kot ka khia jong ki breu ki basa hakitu ki jaka ilapan kan mau shushu ru ba hakitu ki jaka ki petba kilawan lang hakaju ka jaka bat kawai ka jingmut ban persha ya ka jingtmu ka sarkar banshna ya ka karkhana bathumai ilaong ba nasurok ru la banyi habang yan iyeng yakajing per kijaka ibashakta bat kiwaipat kijaka kimshakta na kikarkhana.
Constitution of India, Article 263, a provision with respect to an interstate council. And let me read out this article, sir. If at any time it appears to the President that the public interest would be served by the establishment of a council charged with the duty inquiring into and advising upon disputes which may have arisen between states, b. investigating and discussing subjects in which some or all the states or the Union and one or more of the states have a common interest. So, sir, I think there
ilaong susyuru hambala jengo la banyu ba dan sibun ba kideng ki klau ki ba la ban shaot ne panjulorno la panmi ki karkhana bathmai hakito ki jaka bat kade ke ke bam stonat bat ke bam la ban pediang dei ba arden ila kontu ya ka sarkar ba kade ban simkhia ba ya kane kamat bat ban le ai khanang ba ki pa jong hatu ka jaka kinamsya khata.
Because, sir, to establish more industries in an already most polluted area in India would be a disaster to the people living in that area. So, let me also remind this August House that the people living in those areas, many villages have come together protesting the intent of the government to establish industries in that area. We had gone deep inside that area. We could see the difference between the main road and the kind of an environment deep inside that area. And there
ila ang susuru makom ka VP ngimpersya ya ka development nrengi persya pat ladakan keta ya kemai mariang markom juru ya kajingan kibriu hakitu kijaka ikwaru baka sarkar kanya dalam ya kibriso pripai kibran hakitu kijaka iong ba ngakermen baka sarkar kan sim kilat kilenti mantanmi sibun kijimento ya kipepa jong
are many large number of trees. So if the government is to convert that area into an industrial estate, we could easily understand that the government will have to cut the entire hills because industries cannot be set up in that kind of a situation, sir, in the kind of the topography that is there. So therefore, we feel that this matter should be resolved, and as we are not against development, we would like to see development, but not at the cost of the environment and the safety of the people living in that area, sir. So therefore, sir, I joined the mover and strongly support, and I hope that the government will find an alternative place. Please save that area and also the area of belonging to the horticulture. And it will come to more than 4,000 acres of land. So that is a huge land, sir, because if we are to help the people living in that particular area. So with these few words, sir, I resume my seat.